Well, hello folks, welcome back. Nice to be back on the bike once again on this early morning run out. Just going to meet up some of the guys at usually Tesco's and get some fuel, and we'll get on, and it will become apparent where we're going in a second. So see you in a sec. Yeah, right, we are going to SKEGI, believe it or not, SKEGNESS, and we're going to be using the Kalamoto app, so we'll have to see how we go along with that. I think Anthony's got his set up already on his phone, so we're going to be following Andy for a bit, and we'll take turns in leading, so see how we go. Anyway, I'm just going to get some fuel from down Tesco's here in Rugeley, and hopefully they'll be there by the time I get there, but who knows. Anyway. I can't believe it. Yeah, nobody's here. I'm the first. Typical. Trying to get them out of bed. Unbelievable. Okay, never mind. Okay, where did I put my card? I know it is. Let me zip. Come on, guys, where are you? Should be here by now. Oh, Steve's here. Where's Ant? Hey, here he is. Look, you. Here he is. About time too. Where you been? Right folks, we've filled up, usually, at the Tesco's there, so we're all brim to the top now. Bit windy mind. Nice little place. We are now in Leicestershire, apparently.
Flipping out that wind. I think I'm noticing it more because I've got my back box on at the moment, so it's catching it a bit. Steve's in the process of scrubbing his tyres in. I think he only had them fitted yesterday, so they're a bit shiny at the moment. Ooh, juggy. New types, nice. Oh, that wind. Catch you out if you're not careful. The National Forest. Ooh, I can smell food. They're obviously cooking in that pub there. Nice to see though the pubs and restaurants are opening back up again now. Slowly getting back to some kind of normality hopefully in the next few weeks or so. Who knows? Who knows? Over seal. Oh, blimey heck. It's a bit bumpy. Hey up, we've got a squirrel on the road. Oh. Oh.
Your phone's wired up with my phone's wired up with my Yeah. 135.
What is it? Oh, right. And then I saw cameras on the bridge.
Well, I've had them average speed cameras as you went under that road.
I know they do, yeah.
I thought, what the fuck's he do? Well, I'll have a bit anyway, so we can both keep going.
We'll be bound. Right, we ready?
Yeah.
That was flat out on this, didn't go any faster.
No.
Nah.
Trouble with this having this on the back, all that wants to do is do that. And I give it some.
Something flapping up, have you got something strong?
Yeah, it's just wank.
No,
It's an old top box.
Something keep lifting up.
I know, it's an old top box.
Well, I've got this is the first time I've worn this rucksack.
Needs a new top box really.
I don't know I've got it on.
No,
Brilliant.
I don't normally use it.
I'm quite impressed with it.
Yeah,
Because I haven't got my side bits on for my top box, so I can't put it on.
yeah.
I'll take that tail pack out if you want it, like.
Pardon?
I'll put that tail pack, I'll dig it out if you want it.
Oh, yeah. What's that? Tail pack?
Tail
It
pack.
sits on your back seat.
Yeah,
Right, yeah.
like a bag.
Yeah.
It's a simple bag, but it's got bungees on that go under your seat.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on, let's go. 'Cause we've got.
Hurry up, because I need a whiz, so the sooner we get there, the sooner we have a whiz.
Why don't we get it in then while we're here?
Huh?
Get it in then.
They're above, aren't they?
Maybe,
Oh,
yeah, surely.
What?
Wow, the black clouds are coming over, I've noticed. We're getting into some good windy roads at the moment as well, so good biking roads. We're just coming into a little place now called Longwayton, whatever you want to call it. We've all got our all weather gear on, so we're prepared if it does decide to rain on us. We should be alright. Yep. Another detour.
That's the Kalimoto app for you. I think it just sends you around the rig in a bit and it's not that accurate sometimes.
We're going that way then, are we? Mowbray, folks. Famous for the pies. Well, it's still a windy day, but I must say the sun's keeping out, so we're alright at the moment. It's just a bit windy, like I say. Been on some good windy roads as well, which is good. Warms up as soon as you slow down again. Shit. Have a quick cuppa. You had a quick drink? You had a quick drink? I am just quick here. Might as well, eh? I think Steve's gone for the loo, hasn't he?
Go. Battered sausage and chips.
It's a sausage.
To be fair, the fish does look good though.
He's had a strong bow.
But, see?
As if he's got to stay on his own lane.
Yeah, middle road.
You know, where you could sweep out to the far side and come back in.
Well, as you're going round a corner like that, you won't be there, so you can look round the corner.
But we can see what the road is now coming.
Yeah.
You may as well use the road. That's what it's there for.
He stays in lane 2, the middle. The kids are grown up and they seem to go really weird places that are off the beaten track to go exploring.
Sex Pistols song, isn't it? Holidays. Is it Sex Pistols Holidays in Cambodia?
Yeah.
Holidays in Cambodia.
Stop talking, just film me. It's a bit watching when you get the camera on a rod and you go. Selfie stick. All that in the background. Do you reckon, Steve, do you fancy going abroad?
I do, yeah.
Steve, you might want to make the world here, isn't it? Oh, yeah. I went to his house. He said, stuff like that on the road. Just getting 5 cents, yeah.
We've had a bit of a run to Skegness. We've had some fish and chips. Well, I've had mushy peas and chips and I've had an ice cream. The weather stayed fine, and we're all putting the details into the maps. We're going to get back home, so
I need some go-go juice.
hey,
I need go-go juice.
139, yeah. Button. There's a button. There's a button. Turn it round. I'll push it down. There you go. Right, bye bye Skegness. We just got to get some fuel and back home we go. Till next time folks, see you again. Ta-ra.